Guru Shishya Parampara Repertory Grants के Ministry of Culture Government of India के Mityeng MAKHADA Regional Center for Cultural Heritage YAIRIPOK MANIPUR YAIRIPOK High School edit का KHUTSAMNADUना one-day cultural production program of narrative arts of MAHABHARAT haina KOUBA production program ama YAIRIPOK High School gi bo hall da ngasi PANGTHOKKHRE hariba thoram aduda wari liba ojani amadi school asigi satra ahumna wari liba gi demonstration utki Headmaster Madam Priyadashni na program siliba organization bu thagat pafongdo pagaloina na school adu da thangja khudingi class amamam happy na ba hairaki satra singna thawai yawbaga loina na narrative art bu tamningba utki RCCH ki secretary gi warolda asigumba program asi Thobal district lairiba school college singda pangthoktuna wari libna society asida lauriba thodang bu masak takna bo honagani haiki madugi tungda amatta oibagi wakhalonda mayam puna kher chaminaki
Once again, thank you.